Hello grade 11. Today our lesson about conic sections. Before starting our lesson we must remember the two important formulas, the distance and midpoint formula. To find the distance between any 2 points like x1, y1 and x2, y2, we use the distance formula. The distance equal root square the difference between the x square and the difference between y square. The midpoint of a line is a halfway between the two ends of a line. To find the midpoint between any 2 points like x1, y1 and x2, y2, we use midpoint formula. Midpoint formula equal the average between the x's and the average between the y's. The average between the x's x1 plus x2 over 2. The average between y's y1 plus y2 over 2. Example: find the distance between -4, 2 and -8, 4. Then find the midpoint between the points. To find the distance, we use the distance formula between 2 points. Distance equal root square the difference between x square plus the difference between y square. Okay. -4 minus -8 minus -4 all square plus 4 minus 2 all square equal root square -8 plus 4 all square plus 4 minus 2 equal 2 square. The distance equal root square -4 square plus 2 square. Finally, distance equal root 20. To find the midpoint between these 2 points, we get the average between the x's and the average between the y. The average between x's -4 plus -8 over 2. The average between y's 2 plus 4 over 2. The midpoint equal -12 over 2, positive 6 over 2. The midpoint equal -6 and 3. Here is some problems to test your understanding and the final answer. Number 1, find the distance between 0, 1 and 1, 5. Here we use the distance formula. Number 2, find the midpoint between 6, -5 and -2, -7. Here we use the midpoint formula. Find the value for x if the distance equal 53 and the endpoints are -3, 2 and -10x. Here we use the distance formula, then find the value of x. Number 4, if you are given an endpoint 3, 2 and midpoint -1, 5, what are the coordinates of the other endpoints? Here we use the midpoint formula, then find x and y for the other endpoint. Okay. We must remember the general second degree equation formula: ax square plus bxy plus cy square plus dx plus ey plus f equal 0. Okay. The conic section. Conic section are plane figures formed by the intersection of a double right cone and a plane, or double napped cone and a plane. There are 4 types of conic section, as shown in figure. First intersection From the figure, if the intersection by this way, we obtain circle. The circle generated when the plane is perpendicular to the axis of the cone or parallel to the base of the cone. Okay. Second figure, if the intersection by this way, we obtain parabola. The parabola generated when the plane tilted so it is parallel to one generator only intersected one node, okay, by this way. Okay. Third figure, when the intersection by this way, we obtain ellipse. We obtain ellipse, or the ellipse is generated when the plane is tilted so it intersected each generator but only intersects one node, okay, by this way. Fourth type, hyperbola. Hyperbola is generated when the plane intersected both nabs by this way. Okay. The conic section may be defined as sets of points in the plane that satisfy certain geometrical properties. First type, circle. A circle can be defined as a collection of all points xy that are equidistant from a fixed point, hk. This fixed point refers to the center of the circle. This definition easily produces the standard equation of the circle. The equation of the circle as shown: x minus h all square plus y minus k all square equal r square. R refers to the radius length of the circle, where hk the center of the circle or the radius length of the circle. From the standard equation of the circle, we can get this equation if we don't have the center or the radius length. So we need the center and radius length to get the equation of the circle. Examples. Write the equation of each circle. Number 1. If the center of the circle 8 and 9 and radius are equal 10. By using the standard equation of the circle, x minus 8 all square plus y minus 9 all square equal r square. If r equal 10, so r square equal 100. Example number 2. If the center 5, negative 5 and containing the point 1 and negative 2. What is the meaning of containing the point 1 and negative 2? That means the circle passes through this point. The circle passes through this point. We need to draw the figure or the circle as shown in this figure. The center of the circle is 5 and negative 5, and the circle passes through the point 1 and negative 2. We know that to write the equation of the circle, we need to know the center of the circle and the radius length of the circle. But here we have only the center. We need to know the radius length. Okay, from the figure we can get the radius length by using the distance formula between 2 points. So first point 1, -2, and second point is the center. Okay, so by using the distance formula, we can get the value of the radius length. R equal root square 5, the difference between the x square, 5 minus 1 all square, plus the difference between y square, -5 minus -2 all square. That equal 5. Okay. Now we have the center of the circle and the radius length. So we can use the standard equation of the circle. So the equation of the circle, x minus 5 all square plus y minus -5 all square equal r square. But r equal 5, so r square equal 25. Okay. Write the equation of the line that is tangent to each circle at the given point. X square plus y square equal 169, and the point is 12 and 5. From the equation of the circle, we can get the center. The center is 0 and 0, and the radius is root square of 169 equal 13. Okay, we can plot the circle as shown. Okay, the center is 0 and 0, radius equals 13. Okay, the circle by this way. We need to get the equation of a tangent pass through the point 12 and 5, the equation of this line. Okay, we have a line of the radius. The radius, its end points, center, and the point 12 and 5. Okay. First we find the slope of the radius at the end point of tangency and the slope of the tangent. Okay, by using slope formula, m equal y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay, the line of the radius, okay, pass through 2 points. First point is the origin 0 and 0, second point 12 and 5. Okay, so y2 minus y1, 5 minus 0 over x2 minus x1, 12 minus 0 equal 5 over 12. This is the slope of the radius. Okay, the line of the radius which pass through the point of tangency is perpendicular to the tangent, so the slope of the tangent is negative reciprocal of the slope of the radius. So the slope of the tangent equal -12 over 5. Now we use the point slope formula to find the equation of the tangent. Y minus y1 equal m, refer to the slope, x minus x1. The point is 12 and 5. So y minus 5 equal -12 over 5 x minus 12. Okay, by distribute -12 over 5 inside the bracket, so we get y minus 5 equal -12 over 5 x plus 144 over 5. So the equation of a line that tangent to the circle x square plus y square equal 169 and pass through 12 and 5 is y equal -12 over 5x plus 169 over 5. Thank you and goodbye.